Morning, everyone. It's 11:54, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on the corn chart, both the futures and the ETF. We are long options on the ETF. This is the corn chart. We had a pretty strong rise here, all the way from $3.10 a bushel. We topped out at 735, so a pretty extensive run, certainly well over 100%. We use the Fibonacci to give us some retracement areas, and as you can see, we really got stopped dead on the weekly on the 38.2% area where it had broken from, tried to rally, and now has tried to rally again. This is a weekly chart, so what you're looking at here is almost 2 months of activity, and this is a strong building block kind of activity as far as I'm concerned. Let's go to the daily, and you'll see what I'm seeing here. This is the 1 year, and you can see exactly why we use this from the peak to what I would consider to be the retracement low, which erased, over half of the gains. In any event, we've drawn an uptrend line here, and we're right on top of it. I'll show you what this looks like a little closer in. Okay, so we had this high close at 591 3/4. We had this one at 591 3/4. Then last week on Friday, we closed 393 1/4 and pulled back yesterday, held this line, the uptrend line. The 5, which came down to the 20 but turned up and is widening again, is a very good sign. The last is 597 1/4. Now, our high close was just last week on Friday, 93 and change. I think that we're probably going to see a move up to this 50% retracement, but looking at the chart, let's see if I can give you a little better view of where else there might be some resistance. Nope. Possibly. This is 611. Now, we are long CORN. CORN is the ETF. We are long the 22 calls. Last is 2169 with a high of 2170. This has not hit the lower Bollinger Band, and in fact has not hit the upper Bollinger Band since this last rally, and then again on this topping area where we literally had a new recovery high in the short term and then closed on the low of the day and down on the day, so not great. We came back the next day, but as you can see, we've been going sideways. The upper Bollinger Band comes in right around the regression line, 2197. That does not scare me in the least. We are oversold here. Let's see if I can show you this a little better. We are oversold here, and the Bollinger Bands are exceptionally narrow right now. You can see that when it moves, they tend to widen. Here, it's 1965 to 2070, and 4 days later, it's widened out to 1937 to 21 and a half. So I'm not afraid of the Bollinger Bands because they're very narrow here. MACD looks like it's possibly getting ready for a cross. On the weekly, same basic situation. And oversold, and has been oversold even though it's actually been moving steadily. It's been mixed to higher in this area. Anyway, as I said, I like it here now, 297 3/4. That's another high on the day, and as I said, The number here is 98 and 3/4. If we were to close above this, I would say it's pretty much 605 to 610 without much question. Enjoy your day. Hope you bought the calls yesterday. We paid 35 and 40 cents for them. Right now they are 40 bid offered at 45.